In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a document file into HTML, providing a complete guide for you to follow along. Getting started, you'll first need to open Microsoft Word or any other word processor that supports HTML export. This is going to be our primary tool where all the magic will happen. If you don't have Microsoft Word, there are other options available out there. Just make sure that they can save files in the HTML format. Once you've opened your word processor, the next thing you'll need to do is open the document you want to convert to HTML. It might seem like a straightforward step, but it's essential to ensure that your document is finalized at this stage. Take the time to go through it and check your headings, lists, tables, and images. This is crucial because the way these elements are formatted in your document will impact how they appear once the file is converted into HTML. Now that you have your document ready, let's move on to the conversion process itself. Navigate to the top menu and click on File, then select Save As. You'll be prompted to choose a location to save your file. This is where you should decide on an easily accessible location so you can find your HTML file without any hassle. As you save, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Save as Type. This part requires your attention because it will determine how your document is converted to HTML. There are two primary options you can choose from. First, you have the web page.html as HTML option. This will preserve most of your document's formatting, which can be useful if you want to maintain the same look and feel as your Word document. However, it does include some extra formatting code, which might not be necessary for everyone. If you prefer a cleaner HTML code, then the second option might be your better choice. This option is the filtered web page, HTML, which will give you a more streamlined HTML file by removing most of the extra formatting code that Word usually adds. This can be particularly useful if you're planning to style your HTML page separately with CSS. Once you've made your choice on which HTML format you prefer, go ahead and click Save. The file is then converted into an HTML format and stored in the location you've selected. And there you have it. Your document is now in HTML format, ready to be edited further or uploaded to your website as needed. This simple method gives you the flexibility to transform your Word documents into web-ready content quickly and efficiently. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.